Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to say thank you to the Komite of Sinar Bahtera who give me chance to join this seminar. Let me introduce myself. My name is Humairatul Hasana. I'm from Universitas Airlangga. So today I would like to present my paper, which is entitled Floating Maxim in Creating Humor, Comparison Study between Madurese Humor, Dulatep Malia, and Javanese Humor, Bocah Ngapa Ya. There are 5 content that will be discussed. The first one is introduction, literature review, research methodology, result and discussion, and the last one is conclusion. So for the introduction here, humor is one of the interesting topic that can be discussed through linguistic aspects, especially pragmatic. There is a meaning that the speaker wants to convey to the listener with the concept of entertaining. Bocah Ngapa Ya and Dulatep Maria are type of artistic humor because it contains of jokes that are not shown directly in front of the audience, but in the form of comedy that is intentionally made to give a funny impression. The aim of this research is to compare the type of floating maxim in Madurese humor, Dulatep Malia, and Javanese humor by using theory of Greece, and then the factor that influence the most violation maxims in creating humor. So there are 2 research questions here. The first one is, what maxim are most frequently violated in the Madurese humor and Javanese humor? And then the second one is, what are the factors that influence the most floating maxim in creating humor? Literature review. So I use 3 theory here. The first one is cross-cultural pragmatics by Wiersbika. I use cross-cultural pragmatic because I compare between Javanese and Madurese, which have different cultural background. And then I use floating maxim from Greece theory, which is said that there are 4 types of maxim: maxim of quantity, quality, relevant, and manner. And then the last one is humor. Aldrich state that humor is anything that is intentionally made to trigger laughter. So next one is research methodology. The study used qualitative research method. The data is taken from YouTube and consists of utterances used by the comedian in Madurese humor and Javanese humor. The data collection was done by observing the video and taking notes. The researcher listened to the conversation in the video on YouTube as the object of the research and then transcribed the result of the conversation in the written form. So next one is result and discussion. We can see here from the table the differences between Madurese humor and Javanese humor. There are 12 data for Madurese humor and 14 data for Javanese humor. The differences here, in Madurese humor, the comedian mostly float the maxim of quantity, while in Javanese humor, the comedian mostly float the maxim of relevant. So this is the explanation. In Madurese humor, they float maxim of quality, quantity, relevant, and manner. However, the maxim that they float the most are maxim of quantity. In creating humor, comedians from Madurese provide too much information in their performance by using spontaneous way. This is the example of the data 2, the conversation between Dulatep Malia. Dulatep here asks Malia, where are you going? Let me take you anywhere. But Malia here gives too much information. And then for Javanese humor, the researcher only found 3 types of floating maxim. They are maxim of quality, relevant, and manner. The most floating maxim that is used by comedians in their performance is maxim relevant. Maxim relevant, according to Greece, require the speaker to be relevant in the conversation. Thus, the speaker have to give relevant information as the topic being discussed. So here the example from the data 12 here, the conversation between Fadli, teachers, and then Ilham. The teacher here asks Ilham, Ilham, do you know mammal? While Ilham give the irrelevant answer. Yes, ma'am, I know I know it. Mammal is Tarma's mother. And then for the next one is the factor that influence the most floating maxim. The factor that is influence the most floating maxim in Madurese humor and Javanese humor are cultural background. For Madurese, here the comedian float maxim of quantity the most indirect ways with angry expression and using high and spontaneous intonation. This is because of their cultural background. The character of two married couple in Madhuri's humor reflect the characteristic of Madhuris who are spontaneous and being outspoken in their language. In line with this reason, Vyata stated that one of the characteristics of Madhuris is expressive and spontaneous. While in Javanese here, the comedian float maxim of relevant the most, they use indirect way strategies in creating humor. This is also influenced by cultural factor where Javanese people tend to communicate indirectly about what they want. According to Kunjara here, the strategy used by Javanese people is to try not to be frank about their true feeling. This is a form of politeness in Javanese society, which is carried out in an effort to maintain the principle of balance in the Javanese culture. So the last one is conclusion. From the result of the research and discussion, there are several conclusions that can be drawn. The first one is the floating maxim that is used by the speaker in both humor not only violate the cooperative principle in the communication process, but is also as a way to create the humor. This is proven from the result of the analysis which found that both humor violate the maxim of grace theory. And then the second one here, in Madhuri's humor, comedians use direct strategy in their communication. This is because the characteristic of comedian from Madhuris reflect the characteristic of Madhuris who are spontaneous, expressive, and being outspoken in their language. However, in Japanese humor, speakers mostly use indirect strategies to create humor because one of the characteristics of Japanese people is trying not to be honest about what they want because it is considered as a form of politeness. So that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.